Global IP Trust presents the story of Elon Musk, the savior of Tesla. The world is changing, and so are our transportation methods. Although the gas-powered cars still dominate the roads, it is becoming increasingly clear that the future of transport is electric. A big part of this excitement is because of one company, Tesla. Tesla is revolutionizing the automotive industry by bringing the electric car dream into the affordable market. While Tesla is a hit among the automakers, there was a time when everyone thought that they wouldn't make it, and Elon Musk knew it. This is the story of a man who never gave up. The story of how one man saved an entire company from dying. Not once, but many times.
Back in 2003, two engineers from Silicon Valley created Tesla. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning named the company after the Serbian-American inventor, Nikola Tesla. Initially named Tesla Motors, the two engineers saw an opportunity to create an electric car. This was right after General Motors recalled the EV1, the first mass-produced electric car of the modern era. This is where Elon Musk came in. The two founders were looking for funding. At the time, Elon had made millions when his company X.com merged with a rival and became PayPal. When eBay bought PayPal in 2002, Elon had $180 million in his pockets. Instead of calling it a career, he invested all his money into new ventures. He invested $100 million into SpaceX, $10 million into SolarCity, and the remaining $70 million into Tesla, with an initial deposit of $6.5 million. This made him the chairman of the company's board.
In 2006, the Tesla Roadster made its first appearance in the market. The Tesla Roadster was a sporty-looking, fast electric car. Evidently the fastest electric car of the time. While everyone greatly accepted the overall design and the electric concept, the excitement was short-lived. The Roadster faced various quality issues and production problems. In the end, Eberhard was ousted as the CEO, even before the car went into production, which didn't happen until 2008. Soon, Tesla was running out of money. The initial budget for the development of the Roadster was $25 million. But the total cost skyrocketed up to $140 million. Tesla was left with only $9 million to fund the entire company. It was a very rough time, with multiple CEOs coming and going. In the end, the Elon was left in charge. In an interview about the big decision he had to make, he said this: "Do I make Tesla die? Or do I make it live, with a lot of pain and grief?"
He chose Tesla to live. But it couldn't have been more painful. The collapse of the Lehman Brothers Bank sent America into the worst recession since the Great Depression. This, along with SpaceX growing close to bankruptcy, and the divorce of his wife Justine, made 2008 the worst year in Elon's life. All his efforts proved in vain, as Tesla was about to die by the December of 2008. But Elon didn't give up. He somehow managed to secure a $40 million financing from various sources on Christmas Eve. After barely escaping bankruptcy in 2008, the company gained another major investment of $15 million from German automaker Daimler when they bought 10% stake in the company. The U.S. Department of Energy backed the company with another $454 million in favor of clean tech startups. Tesla found a more stable solution when it went public at $17 a share.
The Tesla Roadster was a very impressive concept. But it was too expensive at $100,000. So, in 2012, they built the stunning Tesla Model S sedan. It was a real game changer. It could go more than 300 miles on a single charge. Although still expensive, it was more affordable than the Roadster. But things once again didn't go according to plan. Tesla was once again on the road towards bankruptcy in 2013. Even customers who deposited $5,000 were hesitant in going through with the purchase. There were a lot of quality concerns, including the interior, certain kinks, and missing features.
When Elon found out about the problem, he did three things. He turned every Tesla employee into a salesperson. He convinced his friend Larry Page, then the CEO of Google, to buy the company if it went into bankruptcy. And finally, they shut down the factory when the orders coming in weren't fast enough. They did not admit this to its customers, or else it would have scared the investors, sending stock prices plummeting. Tesla said that they are shutting down for maintenance. In the end, the strategy worked. On May 8, 2013, Tesla stunned Wall Street by posting its first ever profits as a public company. Tesla made a profit of $11 million from a $562 million in sales, after delivering 4,900 Model S's in the first quarter. Once again, Elon saved Tesla from death. But the hardships didn't end there, as the company was once again on the brink of bankruptcy in 2018.
Elon Musk's vision was an affordable electric car, paid for by the more expensive ones, the Model S, and also the Model X. This helped give the Model 3 a base price of just $35,000. The orders for the Model 3 rose up to 115,000 in just 24 hours, on launch date. But this huge demand also meant that the company had to produce that many cars, on time. Tesla struggled, as in the first 3 months of 2018, the company made only 9,800 cars, as opposed to the 5,000 per week target. The company lost $1 billion in the first half of 2019, and scrambled to raise capital. Elon even said that the company was close to death, within single-digit weeks. He even slept in the factory floor, as he didn't have the time to go home. He also said that he wanted to suffer more than anyone in the company. But once again, Tesla managed to pull through in the second half of 2019, by delivering over 92,000 Model 3s in the fourth quarter. That was a clear 46% increase from the year before. And the latest model, the Model Y, was ahead of schedule.
Tesla survived death not once, but 3 times. And now it plans for a more ambitious future, with autonomous cars, 1 million model batteries, and robo-taxis. Today, Tesla stock is around $900 a share, and Elon is the richest man alive. Through all of Tesla's death-defying ventures, Elon Musk's determination and ambition played the major role. He has never given up. Through his ambition, vision, and relentless drive, Elon Musk is still writing its future. It is evident that Elon Musk is an inventor that changed the world. For more information on Tesla, visit tesla.com.
Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned.